in one particular quiz, in love life, and in love life, and in love life. Kasi Feb ngayon, ayaw pang umalis talaga ni Feb. If you think that life ay malayo pa, iisipin mo na ang layo pa ng aking babiyahin. Konting hiccup lang to. Play the long game. Wag na wag susuko. Or else you'll regret it one day. I have a brother, by the way. I'm the youngest. May brother ako na medyo dikit ng edad. May sister rin ako na nagpasaway rin sa buhay. I was thrown from the provinces. Tinapon ako ng magulang ko dito. At ano ang sabi? Sama ka muna sa tito mo. Bakasyon ka. Eh dito ang tuwan man. Wow, Manila. Bakasyon. I came from Cebu, by the way. Sa tuktok ng bundok yung aming school. I realized na hindi pala ako kayang paaralin ng magulang ko. Kaya pa na ako pinabakasyon dito. Kasi 1 year nang lumipas, wala man lang sinabing umuwi ka na, mag-aral ka na, start na. I stopped after high school for 1 year. And to think of it, after graduation, I was so successful. Diba? Talagang lumaki ulo ko noon. After graduation, cum laude, libre dahil pasalamat ako kay ERAP. Kung wala si ERAP, hindi ako makakatapos. Ang tawag kasi doon, ERAP para sa may hirap scholarship. It's just simply by chance. Nagkataon lang talaga, may exam, nag-take ako na exam, and then the rest is history. Nung ako'y gumraduate after 4 hard-earned years, you would think na, wow, successful. Di ba? Anong kapalaran ko? 1 year after graduation, jobless. So, anong ginagawa ko? Balik, tricycle driver. Doon sa may Imus. Kaya marami kong tropa dyan, ng mga tricycle driver. Alam na alam ko yung mga eskinita dyan. Eskinitang legit, ha? Yun lang yung mga alam ko. And when I see them, they are so proud of me. But during those times, another down yan. Piruin mo yan, naghirap ka ng 4 years. And then hindi ka man lang talaga makakabawi. Ano klaseng buhay ito? Di ba? But you need to think of the long game. Isipin mo, marami pang susunod na problema. If you have that in your mindset na, dadaan rin to. Lilipas rin to. What's important is, I need to bounce back. Resilience. When you have that in you, kahit na anong iba tong problema, magpapasalamat ba kayo? Kasi ang sabi nga ng nabasa ko, the best advice would come from the people with the most vices. Naniniwala kayo to? Pag marami kang bisyo at pinagdaanan sa buhay, ang iyong binibitawang payo ay talagang makatotohanan. Kasi you've been there. You've done that. I'm not asking you na magbisyo kayo sa buhay. Huwag ganon. You could learn from others' experiences. That's the reason why I'm sharing this one. I would want to inspire everyone. I just hope that you embrace the very nature of the field, which is psychology. You could not love psychology if you do not love yourself. Kapag marami kayong issues sa buhay, hindi naman tayo immune sa problema as psych individuals, di ba? But you need to take care of your own mental health. Do yourself a favor. Do the profession a favor. Hindi ka makakatulong sa ibang tao kapag ikaw mismo ay hindi pa nakakapag-cope up sa buhay. You are not perfect, yes, But that's something expected of you. Hindi yung nag-uusap kayo with your clients, kayo na ngayon ang umiiyak. Kayo na ngayon ang humahagulhol and so on. So think of ways to preserve your sanity, to preserve your positive self-regard.